Hey guys, welcome back to another vlog. So today it's Friday and I thought I'll ride up somewhere. It's been a very long time. So yeah, I've just started up Tequila. I mounted the top box and today I'll be going to this hill named Mandaragiri hill, and there is a Jain temple. So I'll say you other details on the way. So first maybe I have to fuel up Tequila and then I'll leave. And the time is currently 2:35 p.m. Catch you guys on the road. Hey guys, the time is currently 2:50 p.m. and I'm still near my house. So from here it is I guess Mandaragiri hill is around 60 kilometers. So let's hope we'll reach on time. The climate is currently sunny. It's very sunny. I'm sweating inside like a pig. And the place which I'm going, the Mandaragiri hill, it's like a very important spot for Jain people. It's an important temple. I've been there already, but yeah, I guess this is the fifth or the sixth time I'm going over there. And behind the temple there is a small lake too. So let's hope we cover everything. I guess the temple closes at 5:30 or something. Yeah, I'll be cruising in a normal speed as usual. Currently, let's feed Tequila. It's been a very long time. Ana power idya? Ilva. So now we have to take a small deviation from here. We'll fuel up Tequila. Power up. Full tank. Taco. Okay. Good. So now we have fueled up Tequila. So from here it is 60 kilometers approximately. I hope we'll reach soon. Husn tera toba 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 toba. Zomato का लार्ज ऑर्डर फ्लीट, पता नहीं क्या चाह रहा है, बहुत बड़ा ऑर्डर होगा. I guess I have to get my front brake pads checked. It's been a while. I haven't changed it from since I got the bike. Only the back brake pads are changed once, and it costed me around 2,000 bucks including the installation. Hey guys, finally we are near to the first stall. This is the first stall towards Nilmangla. So yeah, obviously for bikes it's free, so you can go happily. Wow, see this Mercedes, it's a EV. Cool. I haven't seen that once also. This is the first time I'm seeing. We have officially crossed the first stall. After this, I guess from here it will take 1 hour to reach that location. Hey guys, this is the second stall over here. I don't know which place is this exactly. Maybe after Nilmangla it is. From here I guess the place is around half an hour. So in half an hour we'll reach that place. Few people, right, they'll be driving or riding very slowly in highway also. I don't know why they do like that. And they'll be going in middle of the road. They'll be disturbing everyone. Look at the scenery, the train. So awesome. Huh? 10. ಯಾವಾಗ ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ?
5:15 ಅಣ್ಣ.
ಆಯ್ತು.
ಹಾಂ.
ಕ್ಯಾಮ್ರಾ ಅಲೌಡ್ ಇದೆಯಾ ಒಳಗಡೆ? ಕ್ಯಾಮ್ರಾ ಅಲೌಡಾ ಒಳಗಡೆ? ಪಾರ್ಕಿಂಗ್
ಓಪನ್ ಬಿಡೋಗಿ ಮೊದಲ
ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ?
ಹಾಂ, ಗಾಡಿನ ಓದಿದೆ.
ಹಾಂ, ಸರಿ.
ರೈಟ್ ಹೋಗಿ ರೈಟ್ ತಡಿ.
ಹಾಂ,
ಲೇಕ್ ಐತೆ, ಲೇಕಿಂದ ಮಗಳ ಹೋಗಿ.
ಓಕೆ. See, look at the scenery. And these steps, I remember these steps last time when I came over here, I just parked the bike and climbed these steps with all my gears. I couldn't climb. It was so much tiredness. It was so difficult to climb up. But then once I reached the top, the security is saying that there is a way from behind where we can take bikes or cars.
Hey guys, Mandaragiri is a Jain pilgrimage located on Mandaragiri Hill in Tumkur district, Karnataka. The Mandaragiri temple complex is an important Jain pilgrimage center named after Malinatha. The hilltop has 4 12th century temples. The first temple doesn't enshrine any idol, and the remaining 3 temples are dedicated to Chandraprabha, Parshvanta and Suparshvanta. There is also a lake behind the hill which is known as Maidala Lake.
Look at this hill. Roof. So amazing. So you see this, we are over here in this temple above, and here is Takina. She's parked in the shade. The view is so beautiful. Look at this. I thought like these are real people, but they're actually statues. And there's a tree in the middle and Buddha over there. I'm not sure if you're able to see. Oh, yeah. And that's the view downwards. The top of the hill now, which I showed earlier. So I just took my bike and came top. Last time I had to take the stairs, which was hectic. and straight over there, that's the lake. So that's the temple, and behind me it's a very big lake. There are many water bodies over here. Hey guys, I was exploring by nearby, and as soon as I got out of the temple and took my bike, I just saw this small route over there, which you can see over there. From there I came inside. It's a beautiful view. I'm not sure if GoPro is doing the justice, but yeah, this is tequila over here. Guys, I'm again back, and the view in front of me is so awesome. Just look at the view. Usually in weekends if you come, there'll be like, this place will be like hell, lot of crowded, and today it's Friday and I don't see anyone here except like 2 people. So it's seriously very good. It's a very nice spot to like peace out when you're stressed up. I just love coming here. And this is the tequila. I was returning from there, from the lake, and suddenly it started drizzling heavily. Tequila got full wet. I just washed her before 2 days back, and again she'll be like messed up now. Let's head back to Bangalore. So yeah, this is the temple or the meditation center. It's so awesome. Hey guys, the time is currently 6:03 p.m. and I am going back to home, Bangalore. I'm actually planning to take a chai break. I'm in need of chai. So I had there is a restaurant which we always go. You could have seen in many of my vlogs. So we'll go there, have a chai, have something to eat, and then leave home. We have finally come to our location. I don't know why. Is it closed? I don't see the lights too. Hey guys, I'm back on the road. The cloud is currently dark top, so I guess it will rain. It might rain, I'm not sure. I'm praying that it should not. Just now I had my chai and I had a donut, and then going back to Bangalore. The climate is awesome, and the music over there in the restaurant, they had put awesomely, you know, the romantic songs, Hindi romantic songs, and the climate. It was so awesome. I just enjoyed it with tequila. Obviously, I'm single forever, but yeah, tequila is there for me always. we have reached the second toll. So this is the last toll towards Bangalore. And after this I guess it will be like crowded up too much because it's Friday evening. So everyone will be going to their respective homes from office, and it'll be awesome. Hey guys, finally I've reached my area. So thank you so much guys for watching the vlog. I hope you enjoy it. Keep supporting as always, and take care of yourself. This is Sachin signing off as of now.